We're demonstrating two different grout products, the Proma Pro Grout Extreme Epoxy Grout Kit and the FCS Solutions Epoxy Grout Residue Remover. To make the epoxy grout, first pour all the resin into the mixing pail. Then add all the hardener to the mixing pail. Mix until the consistency is homogeneous. Slowly add in the whole bag of powdered pigment while continuing to mix. Mix until the color and consistency are even. Using a Proma grout float, we applied the epoxy grout to a set of tiles. The epoxy grout kit comes with a mixing pail, instruction manual, hardener, resin, and powdered pigment. The Proma Pro Grout Extreme Epoxy Grout Kit has everything you need for quick and easy applications of epoxy grout. Then, using warm water with a few drops of dish soap and a clean sponge, we washed the excess epoxy grout off the surface of the tile. We intentionally left a haze of epoxy grout on the tile to dry for 24 hours. The following day, we used the FCS Solutions Epoxy Grout Residue Remover to remove the haze on this tile. To use the epoxy grout residue remover, apply a thick coat to the tile with a paintbrush or sponge. This remover is easy to use, does not erode grout lines, and clears off haze with ease. Set a timer and let the remover work for 1 to 3 hours if you are using this remover within 24 to 48 hours after grouting. After letting this remover work for the recommended time, gently scrub the tile and rinse thoroughly with warm water. In this tutorial, we're using the FCS Solutions Black Scrub Pad and the Proma Standard Sponge. The epoxy grout residue remover is specially formulated for the removal of epoxy paints on concrete surfaces, standard alkyd paint, and epoxy grout residue. It's safe for concrete and metal surfaces. Looking at the before and after, you can see all the stubborn spots of epoxy residue have been cleared from the tile. To shop Proma and FCS Solution products, click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.